If LibreOffice is showing an internal error during setup or when you try to open the app, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common causes and the fastest solutions, step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and troubleshooting guides. Let's get into it. First, if the internal error happens during installation, the issue is often related to Windows permissions. In many cases, the Windows installer does not have enough access to write to its temporary caching folders, which can cause setup to fail. The easiest way to fix this is to run the installer with administrator privileges. To do that, go to your Windows Start menu and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This opens command prompt with elevated permissions, which gives Windows the access it needs to complete the installation properly. Now, instead of double-clicking the LibreOffice installer like normal, launch it manually from command prompt. Type the full path to the installer location or navigate to the folder where you downloaded it. If the installer is on your desktop or in your downloads folder, you can enter that file path directly and press Enter. Running it this way helps bypass permission issues that can trigger the internal error message. If the installation still fails, make sure the installer file is not damaged. Sometimes a partial or corrupted download can cause setup errors that look like permission problems. In that case, delete the installer, download a fresh copy from the official LibreOffice website, and try again using the administrator method. Now, if the problem happens after LibreOffice is already installed and the app won't open properly, or it shows a generic internal warning when launching, the issue is usually tied to a corrupted local configuration profile or cache. This is very common when the user profile inside LibreOffice becomes damaged. To fix that, open LibreOffice and go to Help, then choose Restart in Safe Mode. Safe Mode is designed to help you repair problems without loading the normal settings right away. Once the Safe Mode window appears, select Reset to Factory Settings, then choose Reset Entire User Profile. This step clears the broken user configuration that may be causing the internal error. After selecting that option, click Apply Changes and Restart. LibreOffice will close, reset the profile, and then launch again with fresh settings. In many cases, this completely removes the internal error and gets the program working normally again. If LibreOffice opens successfully after the reset, take a moment to test the document, check the menus, and make sure everything is functioning as expected. You may need to reapply some personal preferences, but the important part is that the internal error should now be gone. So to quickly recap, if the internal error appears during setup, run command prompt as administrator and launch the installer manually. If the internal error appears when opening LibreOffice, use Safe Mode and reset the entire user profile. Those two fixes solve most internal error problems in LibreOffice. I hope this helped you get LibreOffice working again. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.